Hey guys, what's happening? How to hide my Snapchat score. There's no direct way to hide your Snapchat score from your friends within the app's settings. The only way to prevent someone from seeing your score is to unfriend them or block them. Snapchat only allows friends to see each other's Snap score. So, basically go ahead to your profile icon at the top left and select the friend or the person who you don't want them to see, or the person who you don't want them to see your Snapchat score, right? Let's say for example this person, right? So I'm gonna click their name at the tab, click the three dots at the top, manage friendship, and then hit remove and double click to remove friendship, right? And they will no longer access your Snapchat score. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.